Hello, welcome to Gardener's World. Now traditionally, August is rather a flat time in the garden. People go away on holiday and they feel they're not missing a lot. But I love August, not least because here in the Jewel Garden, the colours really stoke up and you get those intense reds and oranges and purples all working together. And they can take the light and the heat of these days. And as well as enjoying what the garden has to offer, I shall also be working in the pond, sorting it out, trying to get it as healthy as possible for the rest of summer and hopefully cooling off a bit. Carol is at Glebe Cottage with advice on how to deal with some of the pests that have been a particular problem this summer.
I've got this wonderful collection of plants together that will withstand attack from slugs and snails and their rasping radulas.
Jo visits a garden in North Wales where you might expect there to be heavy rainfall.